Hi, my name is Brian Katz, and I am the Product Development Manager at SV Microwave. We design several new products each year, but let's focus on the Keyed SMA. The Keyed SMA is a great new product that brings all the benefits of our high-performing SMA products. This allows us to keep lead times low while still maintaining superior quality. Not to mention, it is quick to identify, affordable, and easy to use. As an added perk, the female keyed SMA connectors will mate to any standard male SMA connector. The keyed slot will not interfere with the standard male coupling nut. Unfortunately, it doesn't work the same way around, so the male keyed SMA will not mate to a standard female SMA. Our goal was to take the standard form factor of the SMA and add a way to differentiate between adjacent connectors when mismating is a concern. Just by looking at the female interface, you can easily recognize the specific keying so you can find the correct mating part. The male keyed SMA will have a specific key in the coupling nut that matches. This is especially important on an I/O panel where you want to distinguish between connectors quickly. Utilizing a keyed SMA guarantees a smooth and correct mate every time. You can expect the same 500 or greater mating cycles as a normal SMA. These connectors offer a size advantage when compared to other much larger keyed connector options, such as the keyed TNC or ZMA connector series. The smaller size of the keyed SMA results in an increase of at least 80% in density. So what kind of product configurations would you expect to find available? These SMAs are designed for all common cable sizes, including 047 and 086 with a standard panel cutout. If you need a version that isn't available on our website, please don't hesitate to contact us so we can make the product that you need.